How can you sell your house fast near you? If you need to move quickly without waiting months for a real estate agent, Travis Buys Homes has the answer. We buy homes for cash and close in 7 to 21 days. No repairs, no commission, no hassle. Let's show you how. There are many reasons why you might need to sell your home fast. Maybe you're facing foreclosure, dealing with inherited property, going through a divorce, or relocating for work. Perhaps your house needs repairs you can't afford, or you're tired of being a landlord. Whatever your situation, traditional sales can take 30 to 90 days. We offer a faster solution. When you need to sell, you have three main options. First, list with a real estate agent. That takes 30 to 90 days and costs 5 to 6% in commission. Second, use an iBuying service, faster but lower offers and high fees. Third, work with us, Travis Buys Homes. We close in 7 to 21 days with no repairs needed, no commission, and a guaranteed cash offer. Here's why homeowners choose us. We close in just 7 to 21 days, no waiting for loan approvals. We buy your home as is, no cleaning, no repairs, no renovations. You don't pay commission, we cover closing costs. No showings, no appraisals, no inspections that kill deals. You get a guaranteed cash offer and we work around your timeline. Our process is simple. Step 1, contact us and tell us about your home. Step 2, we visit and evaluate your property. Step 3, within 24 to 48 hours, you receive a fair cash offer with no obligations. Step 4, accept our offer and we handle all paperwork and coordinate closing. Step 5, get paid cash. Total time, 7 to 21 days. Don't wait months selling the traditional way. Contact Travis Buys Homes today for your free, no-obligation cash offer. Call us, email us, or visit our website. We're ready to help you sell your house fast. No repairs, no commission, no stress. Close in